If you've been around phone arena for long enough, you may have seen those folding smartphone concepts, most notably the one from Samsung, where a single screen folds down the middle, transforming the device from a mini tablet to a classic smartphone and vice versa. The ZTE Axon M is built around that same idea, but realizes it through a much more straightforward approach. Basically, it's a foldable dual-screen Android smartphone with two 5.2-inch displays held together by a hinge. It must be pointed out that the ZTE Axon M is neither a concept, nor a prototype. In fact, you can get one from AT&T today for $725. This also gets you a decent set of specs, including a Snapdragon 821, 4GB of RAM, and 64GB of storage, all packed in a body made of glass and metal. But ultimately, is the Axon M a multimedia and multitasking powerhouse, or is its dual-screen design mostly a gimmick? We used it as a daily driver to find out. In the box: ZTE Axon M, USB-C to USB a charging cable and wall adapter, micro USB to USB-C adapter, SIM tool, getting started guide and warranty information. Call quality: calls were made and received with no major issues to report. The earpiece is quieter than we'd like, but the dual speaker setup projects speakerphone calls loud and clear. Dolby Atmos Hi-Fi gets louder than you would need for most situations, but avoids distortion and delivers clarity to match its decibel output.